Hi, welcome back to Sea and Sky. It's Sunday afternoon. What do? Roast dinner? Alright, let's do this. Got here chicken, the usual suspects. We've got carrots, parsnips. We've got some South African gem squash, which I'm sure we can make something with that. We've got butternut, I'm going to roast that. So a nice big chicken there, we'll do some potatoes, got some herbs. I'm going to make some beetroot, balsamic vinegar and oregano. So let's see how this goes. Cheers guys. Okay, now all you have to do is, I'm going to give this bird some love. So I'm going to just coat it with olive oil. We've got here ginger, thyme, paprika, cardamom seeds, there's nutmeg, sea salt, there's cinnamon, there's chili powder, 5-star anise and black pepper. So what we'll do, we'll just coat the bird. I've boiled it. I boiled it for like about 10 minutes, just to basically I think it tenderizes it inside. So usually when you deep fry something, if you boil it and then you deep fry it, you get this amazing soft texture on the inside. So I think this is going to work. So let's see. Way. I mean, you plant these seeds next year. I mean, like one seed will bring you about 3 butternuts, so 3 or 4 or 5. It depends what seeds it depends how you trim them. But you know, you've got vegetables inside vegetables. So just keep the seeds, dry them out, store them in a dry container, and then plant them out next year. So same with the peelings. Keep the peelings. Put them in the compost heap. They'll obviously rot down, and then you can use that on top of your vegetables or in the soil. So everything improves. So don't throw anything away. So there you have it, roast chicken dinner. Enjoy.